What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be showing all of you guys my slimes. I only have a back camera and a front camera, so that's why I have to do all that kind of stuff. And okay, so my first slime is in this oven. I came with this pot from McDonald's. It's in there. Ugh. This is called the Gray Boo Boo slime, or Gray Boo Boo slime, or Cloudy slime, or Rain slime. Rain, cloudy, cloud, rain slime, cloud, rain, cloud slime. There we go. Rain, cloud slime. Alright, and it's very fun. I mixed two different. I mixed the fluffy slime and just the regular slime in here. If I can hear the music in the background, that means you guys are lucky. I don't know what strep throat is, but y'all leave it down in the comments down below. I think I got it because I can see my little tonsils. I mean, the little thing that's sticking up back there. It's weird. And this is not a slime. This is a slime that got hard. I let it get hard. Here's a slime that actually spilled a bunch of Tide in it. So it's not good no more. I mean, it is, but here's a hard slime. I paid $2 for this. I mean, $2 for this. And it's just hard now. Look at this. It's hard. It's not even worth it anymore. It's freaking like this. But it's freaking kind of feel it. And there's a crack in it. And I have this slime that my grandma freaking gave me. I mean, I made it with my grandma's money. She gave me the money to buy the stuff. Not for nothing. You guys on it? Yeah. I need to stop singing. So this is my favorite slime in the world. This one right here used to be my favorite slime, but now it wants to get hard on me. So now this is my favorite slime. It's in the edge control. I don't know if my hair like that. I don't know, but my hair's so soft. I'm about to open it and see what it's like. Ugh. Cough me. God bless you. Okay, so first what you gotta do, you gotta be a thug. So, frick you. I'm gonna get your hands messy because I'm just gonna get in the shower after this. Alrighty. So much Tide that came out. Surprisingly. Now you really want to get your hands messy by putting this under your freaking hands. Here's the slime that I was talking about. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. Ugh, it feels like my pills that I used to take. I'm just gonna force it. Ugh. 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 Guys. It's So I'm putting it in my Bluebell slime. I called it Bluebell because I can. It's my Bluebell. And I'm just getting all the marbles and crap out of it. I could put it in Bluebell, but it turned Pink Bell. And now there's marbles in there. Do not get it in the Tide. Yuck, Bluebell, it guarded at me. So here's the slime. Foam beads in it. Here's the container. But it just got heavy. That's why. Alright, so now get all these marbles that you just found. All of them, all of them. All of them. All of them. Good job. Now you just want to keep freaking stretching. Okay, now all these on your hands, put them in here. It's worth not wasting. There's hair in my slime now. It's not mine, neither. My hair is freaking not white. It's freaking probably my freaking cousin's hair. His hair is always white. He freaking spray paints his hair white. For some cool, dumb reason. Stop. Anyway, we're just gonna leave it in there. Oh yeah, that's what you do. Ghosting, going through the wind like a fake. Don't say my name in vain. I'm so glad that you came. All this bad. Alright, I need to stop singing because. And here's my song. Let's go.